Hello guys, in this tutorial we'll be guiding you on how to cancel Envato subscription. In order to do this, you just need to make sure you're on Envato and you're going to go over to the top right corner, click on your profile initials, then go to My Account. Now here in My Account, you're going to locate the cancel subscription right here. This option is under the Manage Subscription section. Now once you click on cancel subscription, you're going to need to go ahead and read the details of your cancellation request. There is an optional help us improve by filling out survey form. And if you want to do that, you can go ahead and do that. After which, if you wish to continue, you can click on cancel my subscription. Your subscription will now be canceled and will not be renewed. Do take note that you will still have access to Envato Element and you can still use these items and create new projects until the day your next subscription payment is due to be billed. Also take note that if you cancel a subscription that you started at a promotional price, you will not be able to continue at that discounted rate should you decide to renew later on. Do let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.